science friends! In today's story, we watch a sailboat on the water, but the sailboat's not moving. Why not? Because there's no wind. That's why it's called a sailboat. It has sails, and when the wind blows, the sailboat moves. But when there's no wind, the boat cannot move. So today, we'll find out why Jenny's sailboat didn't move at first. Discover science. Today's materials: a boat, a sail, a mast, our tray, and some water. Let's make a boat that's powered by the wind. Okay, so we have our boat here, and this is going to be our sail, and we're going to put it on the mast. So if you look, there's one side that's very square and one side is round. We'll put this one on top, okay? So through the mast like this, pull it out, and then in. And then this side, same thing, we'll put it in, pull out the little holes in the middle, and it should look like that, okay? So like this, and like that. We're gonna put this right on the boat. See in the center, there's a little hole. We'll put the square side right into here, and it should look like this. Ta-da! It's a sailboat! Okay, so we're going to put this on the water, but let's fill this with water first. Now we're going to put in just a little bit of water, not too much, okay? We want it to float, but we don't need too much water. So, I think that's enough, okay? Now, we're going to put it into the water and watch what happens. Ah, it's floating on the water, right? Just a little bit more water, okay? Now, I'm going to just blow a little bit and watch what happens to the boat. Again. It's moving a little bit, right? Now, if I had a lot of wind, can you imagine what will happen to the sailboat? Also, when you're finished with this project, take it home into your bathtub and see what happens. Think why. So we have the boat that's powered by the wind. So when I blow like this, it moves. Imagine this is the wind, of course. Now, wind is air, but it's not air that sits still. It's when it moves, right? When we can see the air moving, when we see the trees moving or the grass moving, air is moving and then it's wind. And when the wind blows, what happens? It pushes the sail and makes the boat move in a certain direction. The bigger sail catches more wind, so the boat moves more. If the sail was very small, it doesn't move as quickly. Now, when we go to think more, think about other things that move with the wind. Have you ever seen in a movie a windmill? A windmill has like a propeller in front of a building, right? And when the wind is moving quickly or strong, the propeller moves very quickly. And when the wind is only moving a little bit, it goes slowly around. Also, have you ever ridden or taken a kite outside? On a windy day, it will go into the sky and you can fly it around. But with no wind, a kite is very hard to fly. Lastly, if you go to different places, you can see what is called, looks like a propeller in the sky, but it's making electricity, okay? It usually has what looks like a propeller, and when the wind is blowing quickly, just like a windmill, it will spin very quickly, making electricity. When there's no wind, it doesn't move, or it moves very little.